How to download and install Valorant on PC 2022. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Please keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is go to Google and search for download Valorant like this, and it will take you here. Now please make sure to go to the official website. This is it, playvalorant.com. Click on it, and now all what you have to do is click here on play free. I'm sorry, this is Arabic. Now here is it, play for free. Click on it and make sure to sign up, or if you don't have any account, make one. And yeah, then it's gonna be there and you can download it and use it, as you can see from here. Click download the game and make sure click here again on to download, and it's gonna be start downloading. So I'm gonna stop it because I don't need it actually. And yeah, after it downloads, then you need to install it and everything's gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.